Hello guys, welcome back to Smart Money TV. In today's video, I want to show you how you can earn up to $300 monthly by just typing names on the internet. You can also watch my previous videos on how you can earn money online. If you are new to this channel, my name is Miracle. I create content on cryptocurrency, affiliate marketing, and everything that relates to money. So if you really want to earn money online and you know that this content resonates with you, kindly smash the subscription button and turn on the notification bell so that when I upload a new video like this, you'll be the first to be notified. Now, without wasting much of your time, I would like to show you the website of today. Now, today's website is squadapp.com. As you can see it right here. So all you just have to do is to type squadapp.com and this page will pop up. Now, I want to quickly do a research on this website and show you how legitimate this website is. Now, there's a site we call Trustpilot. Now, on this website, which is called Trustpilot, this is the website you can use to review any website you want to check whether they are legit or they are scam. Now, based on the people that have used this website so far, you can see that this website has been rated 4.7 out of 5.0%. It has been rated 4.7, and they have a lot of good comments. As you can see, it's right here. So if you log into this website and search for Squad app, all these details will pop up and you can read people's comments so that you know that this website is not a scam. Now, let us go back to the website. As you can see now that on this website, they have over 225,000 customers. What are they doing on this website? These 25,000 customers, they are individuals and companies that want to search for business name. So what you are doing for them is to help them search for best business name for their company or their products, and that's what you'll be doing on this website and earn legitimate money for yourself. As you can see now that the fastest way to name a product or a company, so that's what you'll be doing on this website. You'll be naming or suggesting a company name for the companies that are partner with this company. I don't know if you get what I'm trying to say. There are some companies or individuals that have registered under this Squad app that are looking for name their company names. So they have business ideas, but they don't have the sweet name for the business they are about to start. So they come to this website and asking for people to suggest name for them. So that's what you'll be doing. You suggest name for them, and if you are luckily selected as a winner, you'll be giving the money and they will pay you instantly. Now, without wasting much of our time, I would like us to sign up. Now, you will need to fill in your details. You type in your first name here, your second name, your display name, your email address, your password, and you will confirm your password here. Then after that, you click on join as a creative market seller. So you have to click on this one. Then you click on allow Squad app to send marketing / promotional offer from time to time. So you have to click on this one and you create account. Now, this is the first stage of what you are going to be doing on this website. If you are new to this channel, I want you to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell, and make sure you watch this video to the end, because I have something to tell you at the end of this video. And secondly, don't mix any step. Make sure you watch everything so that you will understand and know how to do this perfectly. So you have to click on create account, and the next page it will bring your address. So you have to put in your address and your phone number and everything. So when you are done, just have to log in. So I have already registered and I just have to log in to my account. Now when you log in, you need to click on this your name right at the right corner here. Click on it and click on my dashboard. So when you click on my dashboard, this page will come out, pop up, and you click on complete profile. So on this page, on this complete profile, you need to fill in your profile, fill in your details and submit. So these, they have two payment options. You can set up your PayPal or Payoneer. So I will recommend you to select Payoneer as the payment method. So that's the two payment method they have. They have PayPal and they have Payoneer, but I will advise you to select Payoneer and set in your Payoneer account. If you don't have Payoneer account, I have a link in the description button on how you can open a Payoneer account, or if you check one of my videos, you will see how you can open a Payoneer account. And after that, you click on updates. So you can also link your social profile. You can link, if you have LinkedIn, you can link it up. If you have Twitter, you can link it up. Then you verify your phone number, your country, your zip code, and everything. Make sure it is provided. And after that, you click on update. So when you are done, you have to click on content right here. Click on content and click on active content. So this is a place where you will be earning money. When you click on active content, you have to scroll down and see that this company, this RAI management group naming, they are looking for, we help independent financial professionals achieve their goals and perceive their legacy. So this is what the company is all about. If I click on it, you will be able to see it better. Now as I click on it, this is what they are into, and they are looking for a website name. That's what this company are looking for. And the website name they are looking for, they want it to be .com. You know, you have different types of websites, different types of domain. Some will have .org, some will have .ng, so these people, they are looking for .com domain, and I will teach you on how you can also search for your domain name. So this is what these people are looking for right now. They're looking for a domain that perfects their content. This is what they are about to do. This is the title of the project, RAI Management Group Naming. Now, what is your business like brand about? This is what their business is all about, and you have to read it and understand. Then that's what you use to provide them their business name. Now, the amount you pay for this is $135. So if you are selected, because in this project now, in this particular company, they will select just one person, and anybody that's selected as the winner will be rewarded $135. Now let me go back and see other companies. As you can see right here, that we have many companies. This is one company, this is another company, this is another company, this is another. So we have multiple companies here. All you just have to do is to be clicking on them one after the other, submit your business, submit the main name, and wait for them to approve it. Now you can do this to all these companies, and on this company right now, they have 2 days and 19 hours left for you to submit your business name, your recommended business name, and 277 people has already submitted their own. 277 have already submitted. Now I want to teach you how you can filter this. Now you can click on, this is the filter section. You can click on active and make sure this one is on pending winner selection. Then by award type, make sure it's on granted. So if you want to earn from $100 to $199, if you want all the business names, it should be filtered out, should be within $100 to $199, you can click on it. And if you want it to be $200, within $200 to $299, you can click on this. And if you want it to be $300 and above, you can click on this. But I will just advise you to click on this $100 to $199 Then make sure this one is assigned by me. Then this one should be not trial A content or trial A. Maybe you should mark the two trial A content. Okay, you can just make it non-trial A content. So to bring some list out again. Now you can see that this thing that we filter, we have 46 contents. So when you are through with this one, you can also go back to change this place, this by award amount. You can also change it to $200, from $200 to $299. So you deactivate this one, and all the complaints that you're bringing out, it will be between $200 to $299, as you can see it's right there. So out of this we have 28 contents, and you just be clicking on them, read it very well, make sure you understand, and provide a company name. Now let me just click on one. Let me scroll down and click on one. Let me click on this one and see. Now currently catching name for green future energy technology company products. This name content was seeking product name ideas for a green or organic brand. The brief is only visible to those creative. Okay. Last active 1 day ago. So this one's already ended. This one's ended, and we cannot provide a company name for them again. So let me go and look the one that are yet to end. Now as you can see here that this one remains 16 hours. This one remains 1 day and 10 hours. This one, all these ones now that it has already ended. It's ended. All the remaining one is ended. So you just have, out of this section, we have about 3 that is yet to end. Is yet to end. So now this one, business name for I to end vacation rental company. So this one now is good for us. Business name for I to end vacation rental company. So as I click on it now, the reward for this particular company is $200, and it's guaranteed that they will pay you this money if you are luckily selected as a winner. Now this is what you will examine before you provide the domain name for this company. Now they are into business for I and vacation rental company, so they are into rental company now, and you have to provide a domain that is related to this company. And this is what you will do. You will go to a website again. It's called nameship.com. So this nameship.com is whereby you can search for domain name. So you can just type in this search section, you can just type rental you can type grental.com and see maybe it is available. So just click on grental.com and see. Business there, don't forget that they are into I to end vacation rental.com. So you can even search for vacationrental.com and see if it is available. So if it's available, you can recommend it for them, and if it's not available, you have to search for another one. But this G-Rental has been registered since 2003, so we cannot use it. We cannot recommend this one for them. So let me just change this to V or VA, VAR Rental. Let's search for VAR Rental. Fine, this VAR Rental is available. So you can just copy it and go and submit it on this website. Now, to submit any business name on this website, you need to pay them a non-refundable amount of $10. That is when you'll be eligible to provide a business name for any company on this website. And don't forget that this website is a legit website. It is a very legit website, and I'm going to show you those that have been earning on this website. But before that, I want to give you confidence that this website is legit and they are paying. So if you can afford $10, make sure you find $10. $10 in Nigeria currency is not up to 5,000 naira. It's not up to 5,000 naira. It's not even up to 4,000 naira. So if you can afford this, make sure you pay and start making money. You have to start making money. So I think to me, to pay $4, to pay $10 to this company is not too much, because comparing to the amount you'll be earning, and the amount you are paying, it is lifetime payment. So after that, you're not paying any other money again. So all you just have to do is to be recommending names for them, and if you get approved, you'll be paid for it. So guys, I don't want you to relent. This is 2022. I don't want you to relent. I want you to start doing something. So make sure you find this $10 and pay them, so that you will be providing business name for them and you'll be earning money online. Don't forget this name sheet whereby you'll be using to search for business name. And don't forget that I have made my own research on this website, and they are 100% legit. So you don't have to scare. Just try and look for $10 and pay this company, so that you'll be able to be providing business name for them. Now, as I have said in this channel, that I'll be doing giveaway on every last day of the month. So if you watch this video to this end, make sure you send hi to me on the comment section. So I'll be selecting 3 people. The first 3 people that will comment hi in this comment section, they are the one that will be winning a giveaway for this month. So on this note, I'll be saying goodbye and see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell, and also give this video a like. See you in my next video.